This is Motorola Moto G15, and today I'll show how you can enable the Fastboot mode on this device. So in the beginning, you will need to launch the power off menu by pressing either volume up and power keys simultaneously, or pressing and holding the side power button for a few seconds. Now select the power off option and allow some time for the smartphone to be shut down all the way. And once it is, all that is left to do for you is to simultaneously press and hold the volume up and power buttons and keep them held until you see the Fastboot menu. So here it is pretty much. So we can now let both of our fingers go, and as you can see, we are currently in the Fastboot mode. And as far as this short video goes, that'll be it. The only thing I can show you is how to exit the Fastboot mode. So use the volume buttons to cycle through available options and select the power off, and then manually switch on the device. And as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.